is up, YouTube? It's Tom from Tech Time, and today I got a glass screen protector review for the Samsung Galaxy S9. With the curved glass in the Samsung Galaxy S9, it's tough and tricky to find screen protectors that work. GPel was nice enough to send me out this screen protector, so let's get into it and check it out, see if it works. Big shout out to them for sending out GPel. Great company. They make cases for different phones, iPhone, Samsung, things like that. They also make glass screen protectors for a whole slew of different phones. And then they also have some, from what I've seen, some USB Type-C or micro USB connectors that you can, slip on top of other charging ends that you have at your house, so you can make a charging cable USB Type-C and things like that, lightning, whatever you need. So they have a lot of nice stuff. Check them out on Amazon if you want. GPel, that's the company right there. But this is their case-friendly glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S9. They also make it for the S9 Plus. Obviously, same phone, just different sizes. So let's get into it. They can say that it's the 9-inch hardness. It's also oleophobic coating on it, so oils and stuff like that shouldn't show up that much. Bubble free, high definition, 3D touch compatible, and shatterproof. It's 0.33 millimeters thick, and it has 100% tempered glass, made in Korea, manufactured in China. If that makes any difference to you. Some people, prefer things made in certain countries. To me, that really doesn't matter. I do know in the detailing industry, certain towels that are made in Korea are a little bit better than ones that are made in China, but I'm not really sure how that works out in terms of glass screen protectors. So we'll see. Let's get into the box and see what we have. So you get this little packaging inside of a package, which is pretty cool. We take pride in everything that we make. GPel on the front. Open it up. Then you have your installation guide. It's kind of small. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. But pretty much clean the screen with the alcohol wipe. Remove the adhesive cover from the back. Carefully place the screen protector onto your device by aligning the cutouts. And, pretty much similar stuff. Any remaining bubbles should disappear within 24 to 48 hours. So pretty similar to anything else that you've ever seen. Let's put all that to the side and see what we got. So we actually have an installation guide with this, and this makes it super easy to install these screen protectors with this installation guide. It goes over the phone, and then you just install the screen protector and line it up using that. So that definitely comes in handy. See what we have right here. We have dust remover stickers, alcohol wipe, and a microfiber towel. Pretty much typical stuff that you get in this box with most screen protectors. Right here is our glass. So it has the black on the outside. Looks to me where it's just going to be adhesive on the outside edge, so that could become a problem. We'll see what happens. I've seen some reviews. People said that you lose some touch sensitivity, but it does tell you in the instruction manual that you want to go into advanced features in the Samsung Galaxy S9 settings, and then there you can increase the sensitivity. So they do say by using this glass screen protector that you might have to do that, and they do advise doing it. So I'm not going to do that, but you can do that if you want. And if I notice any touch issues, then I'll go in and do it. So let's put this to the side for now. I'm probably going to come over here and do it. Hopefully you guys can see. Actually, we'll move the glass. I'll do it on top of the box. Make it a little easier for me. There we go. Take your alcohol wipe. Rip that open. And then you're going to go over the screen. You can turn the screen off if that makes it easier for you, so you're not getting any type of touches or anything like that. Wipe that all down. And you take your microfiber cloth. You definitely want to do this in an area that's not too dusty, where you have your windows open or anything like that, especially in New England right now. You have pollen everywhere because of the seasons, spring, so it is tough to try to find a clean place that doesn't have any pollen if you have your windows open, but you got to try to find it. This microfiber towel is actually leaving quite a few like things of lint, which is not a good thing to have when you are trying to install a screen protector. So I don't know why they would give one that has lint on it, but hold on one second, let me grab my other one. All right, we're back. I got a real microfiber towel, so let's wipe that off. That microfiber towel, you're gonna wanna have your own if they're all like that in the box. That is not really acceptable. You shouldn't have that kind of lint coming off your microfiber towel. So get any kind of dust that you can. Now you take your dust removal sticker, and now you're gonna go over and get any remaining dust. Like I said, here in Boston, it's definitely a tough time of the year. There's pollen and stuff in the air because of springtime, so it is tough, but you gotta try to do the best you can. You take your installation guide, you put that over it, like so. That's definitely gonna help out. So there you go. Now you get your glass. Take your glass and you're gonna peel this off the back, and it peels the layer off. And now you line up all your cutouts. And then you push it all down. I like to pick the phone up and do it. Take that off, microfiber towel. Make sure all the corners are down. Let's check it out. So it does look nice. You do get a little bit of a reflection, a little bit more than you would on the regular glass, but not too much. Not too much where I think it's going to be an issue. It is case friendly, so it doesn't go all the way to the bottom. So your case is going to be able to fit on there. Doesn't go all the way to the top. And then you have some room on the sides for a case. So that should work out well with any case that you really try it with. The adhesive is just around the edges, but right now it feels like it's really good. There's no creaking. And that's what a lot of these screen protectors you have issues with. You hear like creaking. That means you're not getting any type of like a real seal with the glue. This one doesn't have that. When you touch down, you're not hearing any creaking or anything like that, which shows like a gap in between the screen protector and the glass. Let's try some touch sensitivity. Looks like it's all working. Everything looks good there. Let's try our edge panels. No problem there. Let's try the top corners. No problems there. Seems like the touch sensitivity works well. I don't think there's any issues. The clarity of it looks nice. Case friendly, looks good. Really is a nice fitting screen protector. Installation was super easy. I don't have any bubbles. Let's turn it black. I do not have any bubbles underneath it. Came out perfect for me. I actually like this. The feel of it is so smooth on the glass. I don't know if that's the oleophobic coating, but it really has a nice smooth feel. There's no drag. It feels just like the original glass. So let's get into the Amazon listing. They have 13 reviews and almost 4 stars. This is their S9 glass screen protector, 2018 obviously. $14.99 and prime shipping. You can get it delivered by Thursday if you order today, within 7 hours. So that's good. If you don't have Prime, I'll leave a link down below. You can try it out. Amazon Prime's really, really great. 2-day shipping, 1-day shipping on certain items and stuff like that. So it's definitely worth checking out if you don't have it. Let's go down here and see what they have to say. Silky to the touch. Wow, that's funny. I was just saying that. Retains screen sensitivity. Like I said, I have no problems with the screen sensitivity. They do tell you to go in and adjust the settings, but I had no issue with that. 9H surface hardness. HD clear, does seem really, really clear. Clean oleophobic coating, repels smudges, easy to wipe down. The applicator definitely made it a lot easier. See some of the reviews. I literally tried 4 different screensavers, including Zag and Samsung. Paid $45 plus, but this is 100% very easy to install. There were no air bubbles stuck to my phone the first time, no adjustments. Give it 2 thumbs up. So people do like it. Some of the ones that did have issues with it randomly loses screen sensitivity. They do tell you, if you follow the directions, to go in and change the settings. You know, some people don't do that. So, you know, to each their own. So you gotta look at those reviews and kind of take them with a grain of salt and really do your homework on them, because everybody's gonna have different issues. Some people leave bad reviews just because of the shipping. That has nothing to do with the product itself, but is because of Amazon shipping or whatever it has, maybe USPS or FedEx. And because of that, the screen protector itself will get a bad review, or the phone, or the whatever it is that they're ordering. So it's definitely good to do your homework on these things. For me, I think it's a great go. $14.99, you can't beat the price. You only get 1 in the package, where some of the other screen protectors you do get 2, but I think that they know that this screen protector is going to work the first shot, and they don't have to give you a second one. That's what I'm getting from it, because it seems like it's top quality. Definitely better than some of the other ones that I've tried. I've tried some other ones, and I didn't even make videos on them because they were that bad from other companies. So I didn't even want to put that out there to you guys to even get it in your head to look at them. So only the ones that I put on here do I feel that actually work pretty good. I just took my Whitestone Dome glass screen protector off maybe 4 days ago. So a video should be already dropped on that. We'll see. Depends on how the schedule goes. But I had that one on there. That was great. That's a $50 option. Definitely probably one of the best screen protectors out there. But some people can't, fit that into their budget. They just dropped a ton of money onto this phone. So you want a case-friendly thing, because you're going to want to put a case on this phone because of the glass back. So you're going to want to make sure you got a case-friendly glass screen protector. Anyways, guys, I really like this. Go check it out for yourselves. I'll leave the link down in the description below to buy it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.